You'll love cooking broccoli this way. For our recipe, you're going to need 500 grams of broccoli. Cut them to remove the stem. Then put them aside. Now cut 500 grams of chicken breast into strips, then dice them. Put the chicken in a bowl and season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix until well blended. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Put the chicken aside. In another bowl, put the broccoli. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and a drizzle of oil. Mix well using your hands. Now in a baking pan, drizzle some oil and spread it. Add the chicken. Now add the broccoli on top. You guys, this recipe is super delicious and healthy. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now, in a pot, add 3 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Then add 70 grams of flour and mix until it thickens. Now, gradually add 700 ml of milk and keep mixing to get it thicker. If you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, I love it. When the milk starts to get dense, add 1 teaspoon of salt and keep mixing to thicken. Pour the cream on the broccoli. Cover with aluminum foil and put it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then take the baking pan out of the oven and remove the aluminum foil. Cover with mozzarella cheese and put it back in the oven to get a brown crust. And our recipe is done! Look how incredible it is! I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!